Hi, my name is Mohammad Shafiq bin Mohammad HASHIM. My matric number is A17A0225. Today, I will tell doctor about my internship. Okay, we go for my background of company, or we call that company background. My company name is BioRich Marketing. The CEO of my company is Tuan Haji Ishak bin Basiran. Okay, for doctor can see beside me my CEO picture. This is my boss. My business type, my company business type is sole property. The date of establishment is 8 April in 2013. Okay, type of operation that my company make is selling supplement and online trading affiliate posts, which is we call as Otai Post Malaysia. My company at number 15 Jalan PPSL 1, Pusat Perniagaan Sungai Lias 45300, Sungai Besar, Selangor, Darul Ihsan. My company have more than 150 staff. It's a big company, but it can grow more bigger. Okay, let me tell about my CEO background. My boss start from selling electronic compartment, which is he's make a component and then sell it. He have their own factories, but the business is not going well. So my boss changed their business model from electronic to selling coconut virgin oil. That business, people really like the product, and it's a big opportunity for my boss. So he take a big step to grow the business. So until now, he sell their product, which is coconut virgin oil, artificial sugar. We call that gula o. Okay, that's all for my company background. Next, we go for organization chart. First, like doctor can see, CEO is a higher place. So that is my boss, and under my boss have Mrs. Aznita. And this company has two manager, which is for the factories and for the HQ. Under manager, they have their own leader, which is operate at different department. Of course, at the HQ also have department. So they also have a leader such as Mr. Mohammad Saufi, Mrs. Zainon, and Mohammad and Mr. Muhammad Ilyas. Okay, next we go for company activities. Like I mentioned before, at company background, my company is selling a supplement for health, such as sugar artificial, and my company also selling a virgin coconut oil that good for health, and so many things that good for health my company produce. My company also get certification from KKM, from Halal, and GMP. So with that certification, my company can produce supplement for health. Next, my company also helping people that want change their life within to involve in business. So my company will provide a product to new business. Sorry, my company will provide their product to people who want to be a business or businessman or businesswoman, so they can sell a product with retail price and buy a product from my company in the lower price. For easiest says is supply. So the easiest we can say is, so the easiest way we can say is stockist. People can be a stockist for my business, which is they get many benefits. So with that, they can grow their own business. They can grow their own business by selling our product. Third is my company also provide a training for new people that want to start a business, which is be a stockist for our business. Okay, so we go for scope of exposure to student. What have been exposed to me is, first, the CEO always show the real problem when want to make a business. How to dealing with customer, how to dealing with suppliers, how to manage their workers, and how to control production. First, we go how to dealing with customer. First 2 week, I remember first 2 week after I get in this business, in this company, is I must get 4K every day for each customer that come to HQ. Of course, with no with no experience. Only 4 days before ended 2 week, I only got 4K every day. Next, dealing with suppliers. I also been involved how to deal with suppliers, that what raw material we need for the production. And I also learn how to manage worker, especially at factories. My boss always teach me how to control them. So it's a big experience for me. Lastly, I also involved in control production, which is I need to make a strategy for the production for every week. Okay, next, my contribution to company. Like Dr. can see, I also help for the running daily operation of the company, which is my work there is to operate daily operation more to factories. So their production, I need to make strategies, planning and focus for each product. Okay, second, the planning, what we call the planning table for each week for each production. Okay, I will have make table, table for make the thing easier when to planning the production. And lastly, I have do a forecast for each product for each month. So with my forecast, they know how much one product they know how much they want produce for each month. Next, my suggestion for improvement. Of course, I think all my friend will go for this point. Hire more staff in order to improve company performance, especially at factories. Okay, this is because when especially at factories, when more staff or more workers at factories, the more product we can produce. Or my suggestion also, I hope my company will buy more machine that can help their running a production. Right now my company I think have only 2 or 3 machine, so it's I think it's a good opportunity to add more machine in the business to grow their business. Next, have a good system that can link from HQ to factories. Okay, about system. The system is more to stock. So from the HQ, they want how much or how many product they want, they can put in the system, and the system has also same at the factory, so they don't need to use WhatsApp or anything. So the forecast team will know what product is fast selling or low. Lastly, I hope my company will make each staff have their specific job. This is because right now one staff is do more than 2 or 3 works. It's not it's good for the company, but it's not good for the production, which is it will make hard for the outcome product. Okay, next is challenge of task execution. First, of course, it's a new scope, new in the scope of job, which is I have no experience, no mentor, only use the teaching at the university. So it's hard for me to manage people or workers. And next, all the thing is I will learn in the office factories is learn by myself. Because their manager or staff they don't have time to teach me. Only tell what I need to do, and I do by myself. Next, of course, strategies for the production. Before this, my company factories have stopped to make their strategies because their company is going, I think, is not success like right now. So they stop to make strategy for the production. To start a strategy for the production is hard for me. So I need so I make a bet. I make a bet. many error to get a good strategies for the production. Next, this company low in system that control stock and raw material. It's hard, very hard for me to planning their stock, their raw material, because I don't know. First, I don't know how long their raw material will get, and it's hard for me to contact the supplier outside Malaysia. And lastly, I do many thing in one time. Yeah, many thing. This is the challenge of the task execution. Okay, next is add value in my knowledge. First is communication. I learn how to communicate with workers and customer. Second is teamwork. I have a teamwork that help me in. I have a team that help me to achieve a goal. Third is time management. I have learned how to manage my time because I need to do many work at one time. Lastly is strategy planning. I learned how to plan well in the production. Okay, that's all for me. I think this company is good for me, which is I can learn, get more experience in order to be a good businessman in the future. That's all. Thank you.